We're going to review how to change the secondary filter in the secondary filter assembly. And that is residing at the analyzer end of this secondary assembly. Note that we've got that normal insulation over the 1/4 inch pipe. In other words, this is the analyzer end of the secondary assembly. We unthread the large hex, and that is where the secondary filter is connected. We take off the old one by snipping the retaining wire, and it comes off fairly easily. I want you to note a couple things. First is that there is a spring inside the secondary filter, and it resides then in this 5/16 inch hole to give support to the secondary filter once installed. Next step then will be to make sure that the spring inside there registers in that 5/16 inch hole, and we'll use a piece of stainless safety wire. 0.032 wires are what I like to use, and we will then retie around that groove that exists for the wire. We'll retie it and 2 wraps, tighten it up. I happen to have some safety wire here and safety wire pliers, so I'll use my safety wire pliers, tighten it up, cut off the excess, bend it over so that it'll clear the mixture when we put it back together. Screw it back together and tighten it up, and that secondary is ready to be reinstalled.